silent, but I run deep, deep. The way that I move, I'm a shadow, but see me. Even though I don't talk much, you still feel my presence. I don't have to say much to keep your attention. Even though I don't talk much, you still feel my presence. I don't have to say much to keep your attention. I don't have to say much to keep your attention. Even though I don't talk, you still feel my presence. I don't have to say much to keep your attention. Even though I don't talk much, you still feel my presence. I don't have to say much to keep your attention.
In the suburbs of your good grief, staring at your grandmama's roses. Keep your ear to the grindstone, sundown for your overexposure. Hope your home don't catch on fire. I'll never call you on the telephone. I hope your home don't catch on fire. Don't leave the TV on while you're gone. Plug is hot and the cord is long. won't say your name in a song. Don't leave the TV on while you're gone. Plug is hard and the cord is long. In the window, waiting on your name to be called out. Pumping like a heart full of love, dreaming about the things you don't know about. Do you know how to love? Can you get down? Rub. Do you have what it takes to give it all up for me? Can you take a punch? Can you take a punch? Yeah. Cool man, masculine. He's the type you take to meet your friend, and he loves me. With a woman like me. Ooh. I know you love me in your own hard leather heart kind of way. You don't mean to hurt me, it just turns out that way. I need a lover who doesn't cut me in two. I need a lover, and that lover's not you. But you don't deserve me. I can't keep getting hurt that way. I need a lover who doesn't cut me in two. I need a lover, and that lover's not you. Oh no. Leather heart, I know you love me in your own hard leather heart kind of way. You don't mean to hurt me, it just turns out that way. But I need a lover who doesn't cut me in two. I need a lover, and that lover's not you. I need a lover who doesn't cut me in two. I need a lover, and that lover's not you. Have you ever heard of a man who was strong? A man who was he carried on. Do you understand? Can you feel that? Then the world becomes a better place. Then in his hands they never touch a blade. His heart is heavy, so heavy, heavy, strong. Have you ever heard of a woman so fine? She was the first of her kind, and the road was long, and the weight of the world, it was so damn strong. Do you understand? Can you feel that? And then the world becomes a better place. Then in her hands they never touch a blade. Her heart is heavy, so heavy, heavy, strong one. Baby, my gut is the center of my universe. And maybe my mind is sharp as the tip of a knife. But maybe the heart is a muscle I should work out. And maybe my soul is too heavy for this life. Maybe I should be a little more kind. Maybe I could have a good time. Maybe the world is a beautiful place. See it that way. And the truth is, I don't know. I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. And the truth is, I don't know. I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. Maybe I was supposed to have kids, and maybe I wasn't supposed to grow. Maybe I should be an optimist, and maybe my soul's too heavy for this world. Maybe I should be a little more kind. Maybe I could have a good time. Maybe the world is a beautiful place. Maybe I just need to see it that way. And the truth is, I don't know. I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. And the truth is, I don't know. I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. Have you ever heard of a man who was strong, a man who was brave, and the road was long, and his legs were weak, but he carried on? Do you understand? Can you feel that? And then the world becomes a better place. And then his hands, they never touch a blade. His heart is heavy, so heavy, heavy. Strong. Strong one. So fine, she was the first of her kind, and the road was long, and the weight of the world, it was so damn strong. Do you understand? Can you feel that? And then the world becomes a better place. then a hand that never touch a blade. Her heart is heavy, so heavy, heavy. Strong one. Strong one. Maybe my God is the center of my universe. Maybe my mind's as sharp as the tip of a knife. Maybe the heart is a muscle I should work out. And maybe my soul is too heavy for this life. Maybe I should be a little more kind. Maybe I could have a good time. Maybe the world is a beautiful place. Maybe I just need to see it that way. And the truth is, I don't know. I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. And the truth is, I don't know. I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. Kids, and maybe I wasn't supposed to grow old. Maybe I should be an optimist, and maybe my soul's too heavy for this world. Maybe I should be a little more kind. Maybe I could have a good time. Maybe the world is a beautiful place. Maybe I just need to see it that way. And the truth is, I don't know. I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. And the truth is, I got a sharp mind, but I got a heavy soul. you love me in your own hard leather heart kind of way. You don't mean to hurt me, it just turns out that way. But I need a lover who doesn't cut me in two. I need a lover, and that lover's not you. I know you need me in your own hard leather heart kind of way. But you don't deserve me. I can't keep getting hurt that way. I need a lover who doesn't cut me in two. I need a lover, and that lover's not you. Hard leather heart. I know your love in your own hard leather heart kind of way. You don't mean to hurt me, it just turns out that way. And that lover now you. I don't talk much, but you feel my presence. When I'm gone, you miss it. When I'm there, you get it. I don't talk much, but you feel my presence. When I'm gone, you miss it. When I'm there, you get it. And when I leave, you can feel my presence. come back, you're gonna get. 'Cause I don't talk much, but you feel my presence. And when I'm gone, you miss it. When I'm there, you get. But you feel my presence. And when I'm gone, you miss it. And when I'm there,